ChatGPT for developers. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way people think about productivity, and developers' lives have never been easier. We will see how we can automate your code solutions using ChatGPT. Whether you are a student or a developer, this video is all you need to make your life much easier. ChatGPT was developed by the same people behind OpenAI who have recently been working on really interesting things. They have built tools like GPT-3, Codex, and Charlie E, among others. However, I think most developers would know it more for OpenAI Playground, which has helped many people write really good code. ChatGPT is just a simpler and more versatile extension of this. It can hold conversations, write blogs, write code, fix errors, provide management plans, etc. All of this is done for free. So you can think of ChatGPT as an AI model capable of generating text based on prompts. It uses deep learning to understand what you are saying and comes up with a response that sounds very much like a person. But how does it work? This field of study is called natural language processing or NLP. Basically, what you do here is train an AI model by giving it languages as parameters. You give the AI model a large amount of language data, and once that AI model learns the patterns in the language along with the grammar and meanings, it can generate responses in that language. Many people get confused by this. They say if ChatGPT is an NLP model, then why exactly did OpenAI develop it? They already had Codex, and the difference between them is quite simple. ChatGPT is just a lot more versatile and can be used in more ways than Codex. The GPT-3 model that ChatGPT uses understands natural language, while Codex can only understand code. While ChatGPT is great for developers, it does have some limitations. It can occasionally generate incorrect information, and along with the incorrect information, some of the responses can also be harmful and racist. You should also know that it was trained on data available before 2021, so it has its limited knowledge of current affairs. So, to summarize everything we talked about, ChatGPT is an excellent tool that can make your life much easier, but it is no replacement for human interaction and verified source of information. This is all the theory behind it. Now let's move on to how we can use ChatGPT.